Today, we will discuss the topic Python conditional expressions and understand how decision making works in Python programming. But before that, if you are new to this channel, welcome. If you like this video, do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more programming tutorials like this. Let's dive straight in. First of all, we will see if statement. So the if statement is used in Python when we want to execute a block of code when a specific condition is true. If the condition is false, that block will simply be ignored. Let's see an example. Here, suppose in a variable I have age which is equal 18 and I am giving if condition. Here age is greater than or equal, suppose 18. Then I will say if your age is greater than 18, then print you are an adult. Now let's execute this program. So here you can see you are an as adult as 18 is equals to 18. Here if I give 19, then it is greater than 18 and it will print the same, you are an adult. But here if I give 10 and here I'm saving it and if I run it, then you can see it is skipping the condition as the age is less than 18. So I hope you understand this concept. Now we will jump in our next section, which is if-else statement. In if-else statement, we are handling two possible outcomes. One when the condition is true and another when it is false. So let's create a if-else statement. So here, if I give else, then what will happen? Then we'll print, um, then we can print here, you are not an adult. Okay. So here you can see in this example, Python first check if the age is greater than or equal 18. If it is true, it prints you are an adult, and otherwise it goes to the else block and prints not an adult or you are not an adult. Okay. Now let's clear it. Here I will give clear. Now here I will save the program and here I will run this. So here you can see uh, our age is given 10. So here it is not greater than 18 and it is not into the if block, but it will print the else block and it will print you are not an adult, which you are seeing here, you are not an adult. So I hope you understand this concept. Now we will move forward into our next concept, which is if, else if, and else statement. Now I will clear this. Okay. Here I will give another condition, which could be elif then our age if less than or equal, suppose 18. Then what will happen? We'll give print you are a teenager. Okay. Okay. Now else it is invalid input. Here you can see it is if, elif, and else statement. If age is greater than or equal 18, then you are an adult will print. If age is smaller than or equal to 18, you are a teenager will print. Else none of this condition is going through, then it will print invalid input. How? Let's see. Suppose our age is 19. So 19 is so it is greater than 18. So this will print only. Now let's save it and execute. Here you can see you are an adult. Okay. Now if age is smaller than 18. Suppose I'm giving here 17, or I'm giving here suppose 5. Here if I run this, then 5 is here it is not fulfilling this condition, as it is not greater than 18. Here if age become 5, then it is fulfilling this condition. Then this if then if block will execute. You are a teenager, it will print. Now let's execute this program. So here you can see you are a teenager is printing. Now if we give any invalid number, suppose -5, then it will neither execute this condition nor execute this condition. It will execute only this condition, which is invalid input. Now let's execute our program. So here you can see, okay, I have made a mistake. Okay, we have to make two changes. Suppose age is smaller than, actually is smaller than, if age is smaller than 0, then we can give invalid input. If age is smaller than or equal to, you are a teenager, and if, then else it will print the you are an adult. Now I think it should work. It should work. Let's check the condition. Okay, let's check the condition. Here our age is suppose greater than, is smaller than 18, suppose 15. Okay, our age is 15. So this is not true, as 15 is greater than 0. It will go to else if block, and it will check age is equal to 15, is it is smaller or equal to 18. Then this condition is true. Then it will print you are a teenager. Let's check it out. Yes, you are a teenager, it's printing. Now if we give suppose a negative integer number, now it should print if age is smaller than 0. Yes, it is smaller than 0. So it should print invalid input, and it should not execute this portion of code. Now let's save it and let's run it. So here you can see invalid input. Then if our age is greater than 18, suppose we are giving 25. So first of all it will check 25 is smaller than 0. No, it will not execute. 25 is smaller than 18. No, it will not execute. Then it will execute this else block, and it will print you are an adult. Now let's check it out. So here you can see it is printing you are an adult. So that's how conditional statements work in Python. They help your program make decision based on different situations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for more Python tutorials coming soon. This is it for today, and I will see you next time.